this Camaro. Look at that exhaust on that baby right there. Them rims. $1,500. What y'all think? Damn, that thing looks clean. And I thought it was the what did I say to him? Dang. I can drive it to stick too. I mean, not a stick, it's automatic. I might have to ask him for the keys to start this up. Yeah, I thought it was the Firebird tripping. It looks like it though. I mean, they were similar. Dang. Let me see the back. Might have to get him to fire this baby up. Asking $1,500. Oh no, I like it. Come back out here and check, and then also let me show y'all. And then you got the junkyard. Excuse me, y'all. We got the junkyard across the street. The car's right there. They got. I was looking at that van. Look at that van right there. So yeah, Big Billy Bob rolled up on me. I'm like, whoa, oh, back up! I have to Jackie Chan your ass. Dang, this one got like a whole shebang over here. Hold up, let me pull over. I'm gonna just pull over here, do a little you. Ooh, they got that van like we used to have. I like it. How you doing? Sold one of those not too long ago. I said just sold one of these not too long ago. Some good vans though. Nice to meet you.
We had some bad wind last night.
Oh yeah, definitely. I like it. What's that thing about the car? Let me see. So it just needs a new engine and stuff. Okay.
I got the fingers and all that. I took them off because I was getting ready to pull the engine out.
Oh, okay.
I got like 6 BMWs.
Oh wow.
I got one
6 BMWs.
I got a red one from my profile pic.
Oh, okay. Oh, dang.
It's sitting here. I ain't got time messing with it.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna show my husband, see what he thinks, cause I want to get it. Y'all, we got all the parts right there. Let me see.
All the purpose for it. Everything that ain't out here is either in the car or in the trunk.
Okay. Let me show you the video.
I got the bundle here.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna talk to him. Oh yeah, this should be easy. I'm gonna talk to. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna talk to him. See, cause I have to get it towed. I'm gonna talk to him and see if I can grab it from you, because I definitely want it. So I'll probably I'm gonna show him the video of it tonight, and probably try to come grab it from you Thursday. like it. Oh, the yellow one over there. This hasn't came out yet. Right.
That's why ain't nothing wrong with it at all. Brand new double din, new cold air intake.
Oh, yeah. What y'all think about this building? It's old for auction. I don't know. They got those trucks over there. My kid said no, it's old. But look at the warehouses though. They got all this space back here. Am I at the wrong one? So look, last time there was a fence right here. You couldn't even come back. So I guess they took the fence down in there, cleaning it out back here. So what part is for rent? Yes, we do. Look, we have plenty of space back here to put cars and stuff back here. They got abandoned stuff over there, like bikes and stuff. It says it's for rent, so how would I find out? Yo, it's kind of spooky back here, but I would be chill, sit back here in the chair or something on my lunch break. So, which is whenever I feel like it, because I'm my own boss. What's up with all that? What is up with that? Got a trailer right there. This is weird because there was a fence up before on this other side, but now it's not. I think they were doing an auction, but I think they were just coming to clean their stuff out because this auction business is not even down. My baby said the building is dirty. The building is dirty?
Yeah, there's a bad word.
Let's take a look. They left some stuff in there. It's an older building, but that's what I needed for a warehouse.
Goodbye. Bye.